According to Indian Air Force officials, the Su-57 was too expensive, poorly engineered, and powered by old and unreliable engines. Was that true? By 2013, it became evident that Sukhoi faced challenges with quality control regarding the Su-57. Reports indicated that at least one prototype required wing patches to withstand high-stress maneuvers and prevent structural issues. Furthermore, there were speculations, notably by Business Standard, suggesting that India's grievances might have been influenced by political motives. This conjecture arose as New Delhi was concurrently considering the purchase of 126 new Rafale fighters from France, amounting to a staggering $18 billion. Opting out of the Su-57 program potentially aided India in reallocating funds towards acquiring the French jets. The Su-57 Felon, Russia's struggle with fifth-generation fighter jets. In the midst of the Russo-Ukraine war, the capabilities of the Russian military have come under intense scrutiny. Enter the Sukhoi Su-57 Felon, hailed as Russia's answer to fifth-generation warfare. But does it live up to the hype? The Su-57 has faced numerous setbacks, from production delays to technical issues. Critics point to its large radar cross-section and reliance on outdated engine technology. With only a fraction of planned aircraft delivered, production challenges have plagued the Su-57 program. Technical limitations, including unfinish, sensor suites and engine problems, have hindered its performance. Despite these hurdles, the Su-57 boasts advanced maneuverability and impressive speed. 360-degree thrust vectoring allows for unparalleled agility in the skies. Now, as the Russian Defense Ministry aims to ramp up production, hopes are high for the Su-57's future. But will increased production rates be enough to overcome the challenges facing Russia's troubled fifth-generation fighter? As the Russo-Ukraine war rages on, the Su-57 remains a symbol of Russia's ambitions in modern warfare. Only time will tell if it can truly live up to its potential. The Su-75's introduction at a 2021 air show aimed to attract international partners like the UAE and India, yet success has been limited. Russia's global arms market position has also slipped, with France overtaking its second-place standing. This decline, partly due to the war's impact on Russia's image, underlines the challenges Moscow faces in promoting the Su-75 abroad. Even as Moscow continues to face a meat grinder in Ukraine, the Russian defense and aerospace industries are churning out new projects. The Su-75 Checkmate fighter jet is one of the most ambitious Russian projects currently in the works. It is too early to say whether the jet will deliver on Moscow's lofty promises. To begin with, it is unclear whether the Su-75 Checkmate will be a stealth fighter jet. Stealth capabilities are essentially the competitive threshold for any future fighter jet. Right now, the Su-75 Checkmate program seems stuck in a mire of high costs and lack of funds. Back in November, Rostec announced that it would be starting production of the Su-75 Checkmate soon. But the war in Ukraine demands Moscow's complete attention and the bulk of its defense spending. And the costs associated with the Su-75 are increasing. The aircraft was revealed in 2021 during an air exposition show. The Kremlin has been looking for foreign partners to join in the program, notably the United Arab Emirates and India, but without much success. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and drop a comment below to help grow the channel.